Remove the retaining ring circlip from this pin. Push against the head, and the pin can be easily removed with a few pushes. Take out the lever body, along with the connected swing arm. Remove the small square block, slider, spring, and washer in order. Then reassemble them back into the tube in the same sequence. Note: the washer should be installed with the indented side facing outward. Reinstall the small square block onto the slider, ensuring the side marked with an H faces the slider's groove. Align the open end of the H with the recessed edge of the slider. Reinsert the slider along with the small square block into the tube. Reinstall the lever body and the connected swing arm. Make sure the groove on the swing arm aligns with the small square block. Reinsert the pin. Shake it left and right to test for torque. Secure the retaining ring circlip back in place.